Alright, good morning. This is Paul, and today we're going to do the 5-week update on dragonfruit cuttings, different strategies to promote root growth. So what I really like is using this potting soil with humic acid. It's Happy Frog, or any well-draining potting soil with rich organic matter does really well. As you can see, in 5 weeks we have this nice new growth, and there was plenty of root activity growing here starting at, I'd say, week 2. So you could see our prior videos on that to learn more about this strategy. However, the reason why we have to do our week 5 update is because of this. So our roofing tar strategy just went crazy in the past week. Can you believe this? So out of nowhere, it's just now shooting roots everywhere. So I don't like using roofing tar. This is our experiment, but growers swear by it, and now I see why. So this plant has now graduated to potting soil, so I'm going to put it in Happy Frog with humic acid as well. But just want to see up close. Look at how insane that is. It's like kind of aloe vera, like thick, kind of not really waxy, but more slimy. So amazing. These roots just really want to grow. So I have a lot of potential with this, but stay tuned, give us a like and a subscribe. I have an idea that is going to be very similar to using roofing tar, but it's going to be organic. So it's on its way, and we'll do a video on that strategy very, very soon. Now, I'm still on the fence about using wood shavings. So the wood shaving strategy is just okay. It might work better in the heat of the summer, and I'll show you why. So at least with a stem cut it works pretty well. So here's Lisa, it's doing the best here. You can see after 5 weeks of just sitting in moist wood shavings, horse shavings, definitely those stem cuts do really well. So that's Lisa doing really well. Here's another Valdivia Roja, which is the same one that we tried the roofing tar experiment with. And it had a little bit of roots, but I kind of think they died back because it was hot and I didn't water it for a couple days, so kind of regressed a bit there. And then the last but not least, this flesh cut, which I try not to do flesh cuts unless I have to. It seems like it has rot. So give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll have a new strategy. I'm going to probably cut this off and try my new idea that is going to be much healthier, cleaner, I'd say, than using roofing tar. Not that that is a bad strategy, but I want to do something that's more natural. Alright, take care, have a great day. Dude, it's creepy.